In this video, we take a nighttime stroll through the Valius neighborhood of Tabriz, a bustling and charming district in East Azerbaijan province, Iran. Tabriz also has a reputation for being one of Iran's cleanest and best organized cities. This is visible in neighborhoods like Valius, where streets are well maintained and lined with greenery, adding a pleasant and refreshing atmosphere to the cityscape. Valius is one of Tabriz's well-known areas, with wide streets and well-kept sidewalks, making it a popular spot for locals and visitors alike. This neighborhood, home to a range of shops, cafes, restaurants, and modern shopping centers, beautifully blends Tabriz's traditional culture and charm with a fresh, modern look. At night, Valius has a unique and inviting atmosphere. As evening falls, the streets gradually empty of the day's business, and a calming quiet settles over the neighborhood. The soft glow from streetlights illuminates the sidewalks, casting the area in a peaceful and serene light. For many residents of Tabriz and even visitors, Valius represents the ongoing, vibrant life of the city, a place where the old and the new come together harmoniously. Some parts of Valius are under renovation, with workers replacing old pavement stones to make the walkways more comfortable and visually appealing for residents and visitors alike. The cool evening air, combined with a gentle breeze blowing through the streets of Valles, brings a special ambience to the neighborhood. While it's autumn, the trees are still lush and green, yet to turn into the golden yellows and reds of fall. This contrast between the crisp air and the vibrant green leaves gives the night in Valles a distinctive charm, as if summer is gracefully giving way to autumn without any rush. The historic buildings and streets serve as a reminder of Tabrize's past, while the modern touches show the city's growth and evolution. This evening walk offers a chance to slowly and thoughtfully wander through the heart of Valles and experience a glimpse of the local life and culture. The trees lining Valles streets, stretching along both sides of the walkways, lend a unique character to the area. Occasionally, a soft breeze stirs the leaves, filling the quiet night with the gentle rustling sound, adding a soothing sense of tranquility. In this stillness, only the sound of footsteps on the newly laid stone pavement and the colorful shop lights here and there create a magical and inviting atmosphere. At night, Valles reveals another side of Tabriz, a calm, dignified face that emerges after the day's busyness has faded, basking in the peaceful beauty of the evening. With each step, one can feel the blend of stillness and liveliness, becoming immersed in the tranquility and charm of Valles autumn nights. Tabriz is a historic city with a rich cultural heritage, located in the northwest of Iran. As the capital of East Azerbaijan province, Tabriz has long been a significant center for trade, history, and culture in Iran and the surrounding region. The population is predominantly Azerbaijani, and the people of Tabriz are known for their warm hospitality, vibrant traditions, and deep cultural pride. Azerbaijani, a Turkic language, is widely spoken here, along with Persian, creating a unique linguistic and cultural blend that is distinct to this region. Tabriz has a history that dates back thousands of years, making it one of the oldest cities in Iran and a place steeped in historical significance. It has served as a capital city in various historical periods, including during the rule of several Persian dynasties, and has been a vital center of commerce along the Silk Road, connecting Iran to the Caucasus, Anatolia, and beyond. The city is also known for its resilience, having been rebuilt multiple times after earthquakes and invasions, which has left Tabriz with a rich yet complex historical tapestry. Valius is one of Tabriz's modern neighborhoods, reflecting the city's contemporary lifestyle while still retaining the warmth and culture that Tabriz is known for. This neighborhood, like many others in Tabriz, is a gathering place for people from all walks of life. Whether it's families enjoying an evening stroll, young people gathering in cafes, or older residents catching up on neighborhood news, Valius encapsulates the community spirit of Tabriz. A striking aspect of Tabriz is its traditional bazaars, particularly the Tabriz Historic Bazaar Complex, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, which has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This grand market is a testament to the city's historical role as a trade hub and a center of cultural exchange. Here, you can find everything from vibrant textiles and intricate carpets to aromatic spices and handcrafted jewelry. The bazaar is a cultural treasure trove, embodying the spirit of Tabriz with its maze-like alleys and bustling atmosphere. Culturally, Tabriz has long been a center for the arts, especially Persian and Azerbaijani poetry, literature, and music. One of Tabriz's most celebrated figures is the poet Shahryar, who wrote poems in both Persian and Azerbaijani. His works resonate deeply with the people of Tabriz and continue to be celebrated, reflecting the city's love for literature and artistic expression. Music also plays an important role in local culture, with traditional Azerbaijani music and dance being popular at cultural gatherings and celebrations. Today, Tabriz has a dynamic mix of traditional and modern lifestyles. The people of Tabriz take pride in their city's heritage, but also embrace the conveniences and advancements of modern life. This is evident in neighborhoods like Valius, where old meets new in a seamless blend. Modern shopping centers, cozy cafes, and stylish boutiques sit alongside traditional bakeries, mosques, and historic sites. This unique blend gives the city a character that feels both timeless and contemporary. In Valius, as we walk through its quiet streets, we see glimpses of this cultural diversity and harmony. It's a place where you can feel the city's pulse, reflecting the old and the new, the historical and the modern. The The people here carry a strong sense of identity, passed down through generations, yet they are open and eager to engage with the world outside. Each step through Valius offers a deeper insight into the community spirit and cultural pride that define Tabriz. The ongoing renovations and stone paving projects we see in this neighbourhood are part of Tabriz's broader efforts to preserve and beautify its urban environment, reflecting the people's pride in their city and their commitment to creating a welcoming space for both residents and visitors. As our walk through Valius continues, we not only experience the visual beauty of the area but also feel the cultural heartbeat of Tabriz. This neighbourhood, like much of Tabriz, is a reflection of the people's connection to their roots and their aspirations for the future. In Valius, the city of Tabriz invites us to see beyond its historical sites and bustling markets, offering a glimpse into the everyday lives and warmth of its people. It's a reminder of how, even in the quiet moments of a nighttime walk, the character and spirit of a city can speak volumes. Valius in the nighttime presents a different side of Tabriz, a calm, dignified face that emerges as the day's activity winds down. With each step, one can sense the balance between stillness and life, immersed in the tranquil charm of Valius autumn nights. The gentle breeze rustling through the trees, the subtle glow from street lamps, and the sound of footsteps on newly laid stone all come together to make Valius not just a neighborhood but an experience, a moment of connection with Tabriz's timeless spirit.